Well boys, welcome back to the channel. We have a very important video today, very special video. I bought the D3 Performance Tune for my 2018 Toyota Camry XSE V6. So now here is the car. You guys have seen this car on the channel a lot. It's a rainy day here in New Jersey. Alright guys, so this is going to be a POV drive of my 2018 Toyota Camry XSE V6 with the D3 Performance Tune, adding 18 horsepower and 15 pound-feet of torque. Just want to show you guys kind of what it's like to drive the car with the tune, and kind of you know, convey what it's like on the highway and on back roads. So I'm going to start up the car. You're going to see the tune comes, the end gauge comes to life. See our gauges. There's going to be a complete review video on the tune coming to the channel. I just want to give you guys a POV view right now, so there's not going to be a lot of talking. You're going to see mostly a lot of explaining and talking in the review video, which will be coming on the channel soon. Yeah, you know, the one thing, and I've had a couple days of driving with the D3 tune, and the first thing I've noticed really is, really around town you can feel the difference, but the biggest thing is on a highway on-ramp. When you're getting on the highway, when you're getting up to speed, I mean, you can really feel the power difference, it took me a couple days to figure that out, because I said, the transmission is different and all, you know, the shift points. After driving this a couple days, you can definitely feel more power. And here there is a cop, so gonna maybe have to be a little careful today with speed. That's for sure. It seems like there are a second cop I've actually seen today. But yeah, after a couple days of driving, it's like the power, you could definitely feel more power. At first your initial reaction, like, oh, the transmission is different. But then after a couple days, definitely more power. And, you know, to me, the D3, is it worth it getting the tune? I think so. If you really want a little bit more power, 93 octane is readily available in your area, I'd say go for it. You could put a cold air intake, get even more horsepower. But now I'm going to show you right now. Holy shit. Wow. I mean, I really gotta watch my speed because there are cops out today. But the highway's the biggest thing. I don't know if you guys can see, because it's probably, see, wow, it just gives you wow. Drops down, gives you more power. Wow. That's the thing. All the things D3 talks about, the transmission, the torque limiting, and smoother horsepower, all that stuff, that's all real. But really what it comes down to, what you feel in the car, is more power. Let's see if I can go like this. See? Yeah, and after a couple days of really driving, I really feel a lot more. You can feel the power difference, and it's a lot more fun to actually throw around and drive this car. It's not a huge amount of horsepower that's going to smack you in the face and it's going to throw you back in your seat, but it's more of, you know, smoother horsepower, and it just keeps building, and it's a linear power band. It just keeps pulling and pulling. And I'm going to get onto the highway right now, and I'll show you guys kind of what it's like.
Oh my God. This thing is, it's an animal. That's what it is. It's, I know there's a cop on this exit, so I'm gonna slow down. But I'm gonna do a little pull right here. It's gotten a little open. So about half throttle. I mean, look at this. Holy cripe. Oh my, wow. Holy cripe, man. Woo. Oh, it just keeps pulling and pulling, man. That's unbelievable.